Hi everyone, welcome back. I'm Steve. How are you guys doing? Alright, today's videos we are going to do unboxing. And today, are you ready? Drum roll please. We are going to open the exclusive merch from Club33. The first one is the Matterhorn merch. And then the brand new Haunted Mansions. Oh my god. What is it? It's the 50th year of celebration of a Haunted Mansions merch at Club33. And these are so exclusive. And let's open this up and let me show you what I got. Alright, so I do not have a Club33 membership if you're wondering. I just have a friend as a member. I'm just very lucky that she's going tonight and I happen to be there with Uncle Don and we meet up and she took us to the lounge. So at Club33 there's two types of dining, fine dining and the lounge dining. Fine dining basically that the member can make reservation for you, then you can go there without the member. But it's very expensive. We were recently there to celebrate Uncle Don and my 25th anniversary with Uncle Don and a bunch of friends. It's like $140 per person. It's pretty expensive. But lounge is definitely more casual food. It's a little bit cheaper. But the lounge, you gotta have a member to take you in, and the member have to pay for the meal too. So it's a little bit complicated. But either way, it doesn't matter. You go there for the lounge or for fine dining. You can always buy some Club33 exclusive merch. So this time I was able to buy the exclusive member merch only. Oh my god, I'm so excited. Alright, first one I want to show you. It's a little bit past due, but hey, I don't care. So about a month ago, Disneyland was celebrating the Matterhorn 60 year celebration. At Club33, they have an exclusive launch fly mini backpack in the year. Oh, people are going crazy for this. So let me show you what this is about. Okay. Look, first of all, look at this bag. Just look at this bag. Oh my, look at the logo right there. I think they call Sigil, isn't it? So beautiful. Let's look at the ear right now. This is the Matterhorn ear. Oh my god. People, you don't understand. Anything come from Club33, it's like very expensive for resale. And you do not find Club33 go on sale. You don't find them at the outlet either or the employee store. It's just not happening because it's exclusive for the member. Alright, this ear is a launch fly ear. And honestly, the price is not very expensive. So this one is a $50 for the year. So if you look at the price, it's very similar like the other Disney launch flight ear. Let me show you guys here. Look at this. Oh my god, that's so cute. So in here you can see this says a Matterhorn 65 year celebration, and there's the Club33 logo. Back here you have the iconic Matterhorn and the Yeti, I think that's his name. So super adorable. Can we put this on here right now? Now, this is the highlight. This is the highlight. This is the launch flight mini backpack that everybody wants, but you can only get it at Club33. Oh my goodness. Okay, let's open this up right now. So this bag is actually not too bad. It's $88. So the price is pretty much the same as a regular bag in the Disneyland. Are very standard for launch fly. But the thing is, you have to be a member to get it. So look at this. So there's a little patch right here. I think it's called Sigil, I think I would say. And there's a, look at this Yeti right here. And let's open this up here. I'm sure what this is like. Inside is this color. You know what? This is such a beautiful bag. Oh my gosh. I mean, it's just a standard launch fly mini backpack, but just so pretty. Inside, it's all the same color right there. So anyway, I just want to show you this is the Matterhorn backpack. And then, oh my god, guys, just look at this. Look at the strap right here, the detail, and the back prints. They also sell the spare jersey, and usually when I have a collection like this, they're selling all different sort of merches there. But when I was there today, a lot of stuff's already sold out. This is the only thing I found for the Matterhorn collections. Leave a comment below, let me know what you think about this. This is beautiful. I think it's beautiful. Oh my gosh. And then, very silly, you won't believe this. People actually were selling Club 33 shopping bag and Club 33 tissue paper. I swear, this is crazy. Alright, so that's the Matterhorn. I wish they would give me more. I really love the shopping bag. This is so cute. So this is the Club 33 limited editions of how many? 600. It's $40. It's the Mickey Fantasment pins right here. So technically it's not crazy expensive. It's only $40. But the problem is there's only 600 pieces made, and they across all the Club 33, I think between here and Disneyland, Disney World. So it's once they sold out, you're not gonna find it. So this is very valuable. Now I want to show you another pins I just bought you. Oh, guys, this is how much is this one? I think this was 165-ish. I was recently at D23, right? But this made D23 look like a baby. This is $150. Oh my gosh! It is the stretch window. And let me remove this part right here. Let me see. LE500. Oh, I just killed this. But look at this. This is so beautiful. Super large pin on pins, and I'm not sure it's a pin on pin, but I think it is. Well, it is. It's you know, it's a stretch painting, and back here there's information right here. So you know, if you think it's hard to get WDI DSSH, Club 33 pins, it's even harder to get, let me tell you that. And this is absolutely beautiful. Leave a comment, let me know what you think about this. I think they are so beautiful. Oh my goodness. I really want to buy two, but I'm only allowed to get one. So I'm just happy to have it. You know, I'm not gonna complain. But yes. Yes, friends. Oh my gosh. I think this is so beautiful. All right, let me put this back in the... Now, let's look at the tissue paper that people will actually pay. Oh my God, look at how cute is this. And I think what I love the most is their shopping bag. The shopping bag, it's everything. I mean, look at this artwork. I don't remember the cat from the Haunted Mansions. I know the girl right here, but I mean, there's the wallpaper right here, and there's a Constant, I think, and her husband, I think, and there's Axe right here. See that? She's trying to kill them all. She's evil. All right, now let's look at this brand new year. So this collection just dropped, I think, a week ago, and I'm so lucky. My friend's going. She said, "Do you want to come?" Like, of course I'm gonna go. Are you kidding me? So let's see what it say right here. So this actually glow in the dark. I think it's this part glowing. And this ear, it's about $50, and there's a dual side. So here you can see the medallion right here, and with this kind of like the mate. And then wait, can you remove this? Oh, shut up. You can remove this. You can remove this if you want. Oh my God, this ear. And then if you look at the back, there's a bat right here. So it's a dual, you can remove, you can wear them. Oh my God, Club 33. So you can do it like this way. Oh my god, this is so cute. Or you can do it this way. I absolutely love this. Alright, now let's look at the Loungefly mini backpack. Like I say, their price for the Loungefly, it's pretty much the same as the regular Loungefly, just a little bit more, but not much more. But it's just so hard to get, and the resale value is like 3 to 4 times minimum. It's because you gotta be member to get it. So I am so excited about this bag here. So this bag is whoa, $105. Why is so much more expensive? Oh, I know why. Okay, I'll show you. So first, this is the image, like the shopping bag right here, and it's the Loungefly plate. You can see all this embroidery. Look at how beautiful here. Now look at the Club 33 logo. That's probably why they charge you more money, I swear. And the back. I think the back is a little bit simple, but you know, not gonna complain. So let me show you the inside. Inside just Club 33 logo and the Haunted Mansion 55-year celebrations. Okay, I mean, there's nothing super fantastic in there, but just a bunch of Club 33 logo and the Haunted Mansion celebration logo too. But I think it's just simple, it's a very clean, and I like the front pocket. It's very large, can hold a lot of stuff. There's side pocket in there. Whoa, so what do you think between this and this? Which one do you like better? And yeah, I mean, they both look so beautiful, but I think this is so perfect. This whole look is so perfect for Halloween. Oh my gosh, I love this. You guys know I really don't like to wear the bag that everyone have, and this is very unique, very, very special. Look at this strap here, very cute. Look at all this detail right here, the strap, the bag. This one's a little bit lack of a details, a little too simple, and they charge more money. And I think it's simply because Club 33 medallion right here. Anytime when Club 33 have this here, they just charge you a lot of money because this is it's iconic. So yeah, so that's it. You know, I just want to show you what I bought from Club 33 today. I'm just very excited to have all this amazing, beautiful item, and yeah. So if you like video like this, make sure you follow me over here, turn on notification bell, so in the time and date I release my video. And so yeah, thank you so much for watching, and make sure you check out my skincare brand Yibu Beauty. We just launched a brand new product, Enchanted Bloom Facial Treatment Oil.
Introducing Yibu Beauty's Enchanted Bloom Facial Treatment Oil, a luxurious custom blend crafted to elevate your skincare routine. This exquisite face oil features a harmonious fusion of natural ingredients designed to brighten, soothe, nourish, and hydrate your skin. Experience the transformative power of nature as you indulge in this enchanting formula, revealing a radiant and revitalized complexion. Embrace the essence of beauty with Yibu's Enchanted Bloom, where nature meets elegance.
This oil is blended with 5 botanical ingredients. It's all about strengthening your skin barrier, anti-aging, repair, hydrate, and more. You definitely have to check it out. I also do a skincare masterclass every Sunday, either in the morning or the nighttime. And during the skincare masterclass, I will show you step by step how to apply skincare. And you can follow along with me, or you can just ask me any question you have at every single step. I love to see you on my whatnot, and check out my description down below. Use the link. You open an account, you can also get some special saving too. Alright, I'll see you guys later. Bye.
Mooncast Multitasking Tinted Moisturizer by Yibu Beauty contains over 90% skin-loving ingredients, more skincare than makeup. Our hero ingredients are hyaluronic acid and aloe vera. Hyaluronic acid for hydration and brightening. Aloe vera to calm and soothe the skin. Carefully designed for anyone with concerns of uneven complexions and or dehydrated skin. Suitable for all ages, lifestyles, and skin types. For dry skin, use over a moisturizer. Give a bottle a shake before use. Dispense 2 to 3 pumps onto the palm. Massage hands together and apply to the face. Start from the center outward, covering the face, forehead, and neck.